Hello everyone. In previous lecture we discussed the four phase of cardiac cycle, and today we have to discuss the next phase of cardiac cycle. So for quick review, please listen carefully. In previously we discussed when atrium contract, pressure in the atrium increase, and by the increasing of pressure wave is produced, which is called A wave. And before the contraction of the atrium, 80% ventricle is already filled, which is called passive filling. And at this time the pressure in the ventricle was zero. When atria contract, pressure in the atrium increase and the pressure of the atria communicate to the ventricle, then pressure of the ventricle increase but at very mild pressure increase. After that, this is called phase of atrial contraction, because in this phase we discuss contraction of the atrium. After that, in the next phase we discuss this ventricle start contracting, and when ventricle contract, pressure in the ventricle increase and become 0 to 5 millimeter of mercury. So pressure of 5 is higher than atrial pressure, so that's why this mitral valve will be closed, which is also called bicuspid valve. So contraction of the ventricle continuously increase, contract, and pressure in the ventricle continue to increase and become at the peak of 80. But yet at this time this aortic valve will be not open. So because at this time there is no communication between atrial ventricle and ventricle to aorta, so that's why we call this phase isovolumetric contraction. And after that we discuss the contraction of the ventricle continue, and pressure also continuously increase and become at the peak of 120. When pressure become 120, aortic valve will be open, and because this aortic vessel is elastic vessel and pressure increase, then this valve stretch out. So at this time this ventricle and aorta is working as a same chamber. So pressure in the ventricle is 120 and also in the aorta is 120. So because pressure of 120 is so high, so that's why we call this phase high ventricular ejection phase. After that we discuss, because some amount of blood communicate forward to the aorta, so pressure become low because some amount was communicate forward, so pressure become low. So at this time this atria is working as a tank, as a reservoir, because at this time it uh, it is still busy receiving the blood coming from the lungs. It is busy in receiving the blood coming from the lungs. So because in this phase pressure of the ventricle and aorta become low, so we call this phase low ventricular ejection phase. So after that we have to discuss in next phase. Again we have to draw all the structure of that side of the heart. After that, relaxation of the ventricle start. When ventricle start relaxing, then pressure in the ventricle become low. And for example, the pressure in the ventricle become lower than 80. For example, at this time the pressure is 50 millimeter of mercury. So pressure of 50 is lower than pressure of aorta, because at this time in aortic vessel pressure is 80 millimeter of mercury. So because pressure in the ventricle is lower than aortic pressure, so there is more and more chance the blood communicate back to the ventricle. So as soon as blood start coming back, there is valve is present. This valve will be closed. This is called aortic valve. This aortic valve will be closed, and at this time this atria is also busy in receiving the blood coming from the lungs, oxygenated blood. So because at this time there is no communication between atria and ventricle, and also there is no communication between ventricle and aorta. So at this time this ventricle is working as a closed chamber. So we call this phase of isovolumetric relaxation. Phase of isovolumetric relaxation. So after that we have to draw next phase of cardiac cycle. In this phase we have to discuss the ventricle continuously relax, and when continuously ventricle relax, pressure in the ventricle become lower than atrial pressure. So when pressure become low, then this mitral valve will be open. When this mitral valve will open, all the blood which received previously fall down to the ventricle, atria to ventricle. But it is very rapid feeling because there was a lot of blood received from previously. So that's why this is very rapid feeling. So because in this phase we discuss ventricle continuously relax and pressure, then the pressure by the relaxing of the ventricle pressure become lower than atria, and when pressure become lower than atria, then this valve will be open, which is called mitral valve. Mitral valve will be open, and by the opening of mitral valve, the blood which received previously fall down to the ventricle, but it is very rapid feeling. So we call this phase of rapid ventricular filling. Phase of rapid ventricular filling. So after that, we have to the next phase of cardiac cycle. In previous phase, we discussed a lot of blood of atria was communicated to the ventricle. So at this time, there is no blood. Only the blood is which is coming from the lungs. For example, so at this time, this ventricle is working as a conduit. It is working as a conduit, as a pipe, because at this time only the blood which is coming from the lungs communicate to the ventricle. So because only blood of the lungs will come to the atria and is easily communicate to the ventricle, so it is very slow filling of ventricle. So we call this phase of slow ventricular filling, but it is passive filling. This is also passive filling. Phase of rapid ventricular filling, but it is passive filling because at this time in those cases there is no contraction of the atria. So and after that, again this cycle come. So and so our life cycle running. So after that we have to discuss the sound of the heart. So that in the phase of isovolume contraction, when this this mitral valve close, then a sound is produced which is called S1 sound. Listen carefully, students. By the collier of valve, sound is produced in the heart. If by the opening of valve sound produced in a human body, then maybe something wrong with you. By the opening of valve, no sound produced. Only by the collier of valve sound is produced in the heart. And after that, in case of isovolumetric contraction, when this aortic valve will be closed in the left side or in the right side, pulmonary valve closed, then a sound is produced which is called S2 sound. After that, in case of rapid ventricular filling, at the end of rapid ventricular filling, a sound is produced sometime in a young person after exercise. A sound is produced which is called S3 sound. After that, students, when a hypotrophic atria sometime pumping against a hypotrophic ventricle, then there is also a sound is produced which is called S4 sound. So this was all about cardiac cycle.